Part 2. Night shift experiences. When she first started, she covered night shifts due to staffing issues. She said if she had to keep working those hours, she'd find another job. Nights were eerie because the building had fewer staff and most lights were off near her office. She kept busy with music or podcasts but hated going to the restroom or getting snacks, as she had to walk through dead office space. Once, she heard moaning and thought a patient was wandering. She called the nursing station, but they found everyone in bed. It gave her chills.